Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The total number of students appeared 18,939, passed 17,554, and the pass percentage is 92.69%. So it is slightly higher than the last year, and this pass percentage of the boy student comes to 92.08, and this pass percentage comes to 93.27. So in this examination also, the girl student, they are showing their upper hand. So the total 118 schools, they secured 100% result. 118. Okay. Number of candidates who have passed the exam with the help of sports merit marks is 273. We are sending it to the schools before 6th of August, and from schools they can collect their mark sheets.